Hello everyone, welcome back to our smartphone graphic design class by Skill Academy. Okay, so in today's class, I'll be showing you how to design YouTube thumbnails using your smartphone. Now, when you open your Canva app, which is the app we have been using to make all of our designs, you will see that up here you have YouTube thumbnails, and when you scroll down, you'll still find another thing that has to do with YouTube. This one is YouTube banners. Now they are not the same. Okay, YouTube banners are mostly images that people use at the top of their channel, like a cover page or something. And then YouTube thumbnails are usually images people put in their video when they are editing it. They just put it there so that when you see the image, the video, that image will attract you to watch it. Okay, so today we'll be showing you how to design such YouTube thumbnails for videos. Okay, so again, you have to open your Canva app. That's the app we have been using for all of our designs. So when you open the app, you allow it to load, and once it loads, you select a template. Okay, you select a template that appeals to you, or that appeals to the kind of videos your client is making. Okay, or the kind of videos your client is making. So we will come over here and select something, just any of these thumbnails, and work with it. So let's assume that you are creating a thumbnail for a YouTube video that has to do with skincare. Just select something in that same light, like this one here, this very one. You can select something like this and use it to, you know, to work, to edit, and then have a good design. You can also go for something like this if you are creating, if the client or you yourself, if the client is creating a video that has to do with beverages. Okay, in the same way, you can choose any of these regardless of what your client is creating, or regardless of the kind of video you are creating. You can choose any of these thumbnail and actually make out something good from there. Okay, you can make out something very nice from there. Okay, so let's say you are creating a thumbnail for a business, like a business video, a business tutorial video, or something that shows people how to make money. Okay, let's choose this one and design with it. So the moment you select the template you want to use, it will load in the workstation like this. It will open up a place where you need to edit and work on the design to look the way you want. So once it loads, the next thing you need to do is to start designing, starting with the colors, the title, the images there, and other things, the elements, the things you need to be in your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so first you put the name of the channel at the top, and other things you need to be there, just put them. Okay, so let's start designing with this and see what we can make of it. Okay, first we are going to edit this. You can still change the font. We can change it to Money Machine channel. Okay, let's say this is the this is our the name of our YouTube channel, Money Machine channel. Okay, we'll still put it where it needs to be. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. Delete. So a Money Machine channel. I'll click on it and then move it. So to put all of this in a single line, the next thing I need to do is to come over here and drag it. Okay, so I'm just going to extend the size or the space in there so that the channel will come up to stay with the other ones. So once it's like this, I can then, readjust it. Or I can come over here and use the font size to adjust it to the size that I want. Okay, something like this, and then use the nudge to move it. The channel name doesn't really need to be that bogus. Actually, what you need to be very, very plain is the title of the video over here. So let's call this 10 easy ways to make money online. To make money online. Okay, so let's just give it this kind of name, 10 easy ways to make money online. Okay, so we can click on it and move it a little bit upwards, just so that the whole thing will enter. And then if we don't like this size, we can always reduce it or adjust it over here, and then it becomes bolder. Okay, so once you've gotten your name, once you've written what you want, you can come over here, change the color, the font, the style of the text. You see, now it's in Mokoto. We can change it to Lovelu. This. 10 easy ways to make money online. Okay, we can make it bolder too. Your title always needs to be very, very bold. It needs to be very bold. Okay, it always needs to be very bold. And so, once we are done with that, we can also, change the style of the text over here on that format. We can change it to a different style over here. We can choose underlined. We can choose something else. We can change it to italics or any other one there. So we can change the color to white. You see the way it looks if we change it to white. Or we can still leave it the way it was before. Then over here you can change this image here. Just click on replace and find something that matches what we are building, we are creating. Something like images of money. That money can be dollar, it can also be naira. So you just come over here, type in money, type money. Then you allow it to load. And once it loads, you select the one that you feel will match what you are doing. Okay. So let's look for one. I think this will look nice. So let's go with this. I choose it. So you can also still adjust this image. You can adjust it a little bit by raising it upwards. 10 easy ways to make money online. You can raise it to look like this, or you can bring it down so it looks like this. Okay, and then over here you can still add another text like watch now. Watch now. Just go to text and add. Now we won't select the first option, we'll just select this third one, okay, or the second one. The first one usually makes the write-up very, very big and bold, so let's just choose something like this. Now you can add a text using that. You just bring it down here and type in what you want, like watch now. But I'm going to use a symbol for that watch now. I'm going to go for an element over here. You select an element. That element can be for YouTube, like YouTube subscribe button or any other button. So let's click on YouTube at the top here. Give us elements that are convenient to use when designing a YouTube thumbnail. So you see there are different elements here that we can use for our video. Okay, different elements here that we can use for our video. So I'm going to choose this one due to how simple and nice it looks. Okay, so I will reduce the size and perhaps put it somewhere around here, or I can extend it. So I think that size is okay. I can also change the color from here if I want. I can also change the color, but it looks better with this color than I'm changing it. So I can either put this way, or I will just type in watch now close to it. I'll type watch now close to it. Okay, so I just go to tests, watch now. Let's increase the size a little bit. Okay. Okay. That looks nice. Then we can, change the color. To white, just plain white, and make it a little bit bold. Okay, so a YouTube thumbnail like this is okay. For a channel. Okay, we can still change this to white. Or we change the font. Let's change the font to something else. Maybe to Love It too. opens and select. Okay, I'm going to change the size again. Okay, so it looks nice like this. So this is just a simple YouTube thumbnail. You can just download it by clicking here. You click on here and download it. The moment you click on that download button up there, it will be saved directly to your gallery. So you can just go over there and take a look at it. And when you are creating your YouTube video in your YouTube app or using your YouTube studio, after uploading the video, you go to select thumbnail. Okay, then you select that this particular thumbnail you've designed from your gallery. So that's how you create a YouTube thumbnail for your videos. That's how you create a thumbnail for your videos. Okay, so just use this as an example to create whatever thumbnail you need to create for your own YouTube videos or that of your clients. Okay, so next we are going to look at how to create business cards. How to create business cards. That's what we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.